Once upon a time, on a sunny farm, there lived a friendly donkey named Daisy. Daisy loved to play outside, run around the fields, and roll in the grass. But Daisy had a little problem. She always got so dirty from rolling in the grass and mud. Daisy's farmer friend, Mr. Bob, had a great idea. What if Daisy could have a bubble bath to get clean, he thought. Mr. Bob filled a big tub with warm water and lots of bubbles. He thought Daisy would love it. But Daisy wasn't sure. Daisy had never seen a bubble bath before. I don't know if I want to try this, she thought. Mr. Bob gently coaxed Daisy to the tub. Come on, Daisy. It'll be fun, he said. Daisy took a few steps closer, but stopped. Daisy dipped one hoof into the bubbles. Ooh, that's tickly, she exclaimed. But as soon as she stepped into the tub, the bubbles went everywhere. The bubbles floated into the air and popped all around Daisy. It turned into a bubble party. Daisy tried to step into the tub, but it was too slippery and bubbly. Daisy slipped and slid around, and the bubbles just wouldn't stay put. She finally decided it was too much for her. I think I'll pass on the bubble bath, she said with a laugh. Mr. Bob understood and laughed with Daisy. Instead of a bubble bath, they had a great time playing in the field with the bubbles. They watched them float and pop and had a blast. Even though Daisy didn't take a bubble bath, she was happy and clean from all the fun they had. And from that day on, Daisy knew that sometimes the best fun isn't always what you expect. And so, Daisy and Mr. Bob learned that bubble baths might not be for donkeys, but playing with bubbles sure is. And they lived happily ever after, filled with laughter and bubbles.